Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Simplified Accounts. मेरा नाम है शिवांश गुप्ता and today I will explain the basic of mutual funds. चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नीचे दिए गए बेल आइकन को इनेबल करें. The information contained in this video is for only educational and awareness purpose related to mutual funds and shall not be treated as recommendation from my side for investment in mutual funds. Investment in mutual funds are subject to market risk. Please read the document carefully before investing. What are various investment options? But first we have to understand that what is investment. Investment is expenditure on the purchase of such asset which help to generate income. Thus there are various options available for investment such as property, insurance, gold, stocks, bank deposit and mutual funds. What is mutual fund? A mutual fund is an investment scheme made up of a pool of money collected from many investors to invest in securities like stocks, bonds, money market instruments and other assets. Mutual funds are operated by professional fund manager who allocate the fund's asset and attempt to produce capital gains or income for the fund investors. Thus, we can say that mutual funds is a type of financial vehicle made up of a pool of money collected from many investors to invest in securities like stocks, bonds. Now we have to understand that how does a mutual fund works and how people get returns from the money invested in mutual funds. First of all, a pool of money is being created by a group of investors which is being given to a fund manager who in turn invest the money in stocks, securities, gold or any of the combination of these, which further helps in generating income. The income which is being generated is being delivered back to the investors in form of return, and this is how the mutual fund works. Now generally, some people have doubt that why should we invest in mutual funds? Are mutual funds safe? Well, all investment carry some risk, but mutual funds are typically considered a safer investment than purchasing individual stocks since they hold many company stocks within one investment. They offer more diversification than owning one or two individual stocks. And some of the reasons why to invest in mutual funds are that professional management, as mutual funds are being managed by the fund manager, Second, it is being regulated by SEBI. And the full form of SEBI is Securities Exchange Board of India. Third is transparency, as every day its price is being published as per the last closing day. Next is risk diversification, as investment made in multiple stocks from multiple sectors like IT, energy, pharma, infrastructure, etc. Now some of the infrastructure can be like Reliance Infrastructure, Tata Infrastructure. And our last one is that low capital, as a person having low capital can also invest in mutual funds. We can start investment with even rupees 100. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, subscribe and share it with all your friends and family members. चलिए मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद जय भारत।